Manufacturing has played a vital role in the economic transformation of Malaysia. According to the Department of Statistics Malaysia, a total of 1,028,301 persons are engaged in the local manufacturing sector, with an average monthly salary of 3,122 ringgit paid per employee. Some of the key subsectors within the manufacturing industry in Malaysia are petroleum, chemical, rubber, and plastic products, food, beverage, and tobacco, electrical and electronic products. To keep the Malaysia manufacturing on the right track, qualified engineers are needed. Among other roles, engineers working in the manufacturing business are responsible for the safe and efficient planning, management, and maintenance of production methods and processes.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Alia Shahira binti Abdul Wahab. My metric number is 279055. I will tell you about the advantage in the manufacturing sector. As we all know, the manufacturing sector is a major catalyst in today's technology advancement. Then it is not surprising if it has an advantage. The first advantage, the manufacturing sector, is the strengthening of bilateral relationship with the United States. This can improve the country's economy. This is because the United States invests in the country to obtain raw materials. This can be seen through the total export to the United States. The total export to the United States increased 2.4% to Rm 90.81 billion. To prove the strengthening of bilateral relationships with the US, in December 2018, a total of 809 manufacturing projects with participation from the US were implemented in Malaysia with a total investment of Rm 74 billion. This has opened up employment opportunities for Malaysia. In addition, the manufacturing sector also improved the living standard of the people. This is because the ability of the employment opportunity with adequate salary has caused the people to live comfortably. With the manufacturing sector as well, the people are able to enjoy the facilities provided, such as transportation and so on. Furthermore, there is no need to pay an expensive amount. Therefore, the manufacturing sector benefits the communities, especially the middle class.
The sales of the Malaysian manufacturing sector increased by 4.5% to Rm 124.6 billion in December 2020 compared to December 2019. According to the Department of Statistics, for month-on-month comparison increased by 3.9%. The year-on-year increase recorded in December 2020 was driven by transport equipment and other manufacturing products 20.5%, food, beverage and tobacco products 7.9%, and electrical and electronic products 4.2%. The number of manufacturing sector employers in December 2020 was also recorded at 2.2 million, down 2% from 2.24 million in the same period of year earlier. Meanwhile, for the fourth quarter performed, the sales value of the manufacturing sector increased by 3% to RM 366.4 billion compared with the same quarter last year. The number of manufacturing sector employers in December 2020 was also recorded at 2.2 million, down 2% from 2.24 million in the same period of year. Apart from that, the total salaries and wages of the sector also declined by 0.8% or RM 59.7 million in December 2020. The increase was driven by increase in transport equipment and other manufacturing products, 5.0%, food, beverage and tobacco products, 9.0%, and electrical and electronic equipment products, 4.3%. For the full year 2020, the sales value of the manufacturing sector record decrease of 2.1% to RM 1.3 trillion compared to the same period in 2019.
According to me, manufacturing sector is the best sector as it has been helped government in increasing the productivity of economy. The productivity of manufacturing also has been increased year by year by increasing the automation and by enhanced workforce skills development. This indicates each year manufacturing sector growing rapidly. As per Malaysian Economic Chart 2020, manufacturing has been contributed 14.4% for Malaysian economy. Manufacturing achieved third highest sector that contribute to the economy. In 2019, manufacturing produced 317,027 million for economy, while it has been increased in 2020 to 329,995 million. Government incentive will definitely be helpful for manufacturing sector to produce more higher value added products and provide good quality services.
The benefits brought by the manufacturing sector to the country is that this policy enable our country to be able to reduce import, especially certain goods. As evidence, import in October 2009 decreased by 2.3% compared with September 2008 due to a decline in import of intermediate goods by 10%, mainly electrical and electronic E&E products by 8.5% and iron and steel products by 28%. This reduction in import is possible because the country's manufacturing sector has managed to produce the same products, especially electrical and electronic products, at cheaper price. Apart from that, in the past, our country in the 70s had to import cars from Japan or Western countries, but now the situation is very different because our country is now able to stand on its own in producing homemade cars, namely Proton or Prodwa. This situation also affects the foreign trade balance rate due to less money flowing abroad to pay for import goods. Therefore, the money can be used for the development of other sectors, so the country's excess financial resources can be used to improve the living standards of the people. In addition, the manufacturing sector provides benefit to the people in terms of a wide range of employment opportunities. Factories built in rural areas can create employment opportunities for the people. Example of common jobs offered to nearby residents such as factory operators, factory engineers, factory managers, and so on. The employment opportunities offered should be utilized by the people to meet their living needs. The industrial sector is able to offer a wide range of employment opportunities from various levels. Among them are the stage of producing, processing, assembly, packaging, and marketing. In 2001 alone, a total of 2.2 million people were involved in the industrial sector, which is equivalent to 22% of the total workforce in Malaysia. This phenomenon can definitely reduce the unemployment rate among the people. Indeed, the industrial sector is able to offer a wide range of employment opportunities to the people, especially in the field of manufacturing.
In conclusion, more benefit from the manufacturing sector, which is it can increase export growth in Malaysia, where 80% of manufactured goods export from abroad. For example, in the electronic and electrical E&E sector that Malaysia has herself as an electronic export, despite increasing competition from the likes of China and Vietnam for low-cost goods, and Singapore, South Korea, and Taiwan for higher value one. The manufacturing sector has also indirectly attracted foreign investors to invest in Malaysia. According to the Malaysian Investment Development Authority, 61% of the total in 2011 comes from foreign investment due to the interest of foreign investors.